Hey guys, hello! Welcome to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers lately. My name is Darlene. This is my channel. And also thank you for all the new followers on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, Jelly Bean, what are you waiting for? Come on, baby. My Instagram is going to be right here. Obviously, based on the title of this video, this is going to be a no mirror makeup challenge. I went on Instagram, we did a poll over there. Majority of you voted for this video instead of the other choice. So here we are, people. We are about to do this. I mean, why should I be worried at all? This is just doing my makeup with no mirror. I mean, I got this. Why would I even agree to this? I am so scared. This is gonna be so bad. I can feel it already. Quickly, I have to mention, sorry about the environment. I just recently got into a new place and obviously my makeup room is not quite finished. I don't really have a makeup room, but anyways, my little makeup space is not there yet, but I'm working on it. So for now, this is what we're stuck with, people. Before we start, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get started. Let's do this! Hey guys, so this is not going to be a voiceover, but my microphone was betraying me. So for some parts, please excuse the audio. I had major issues. But here I'm just applying my foundation in the areas where I think I apply my foundation. And if you feel like I look all over the place in this video, it's because I am, okay? At certain points, I feel like I'm looking at Jesus Christ, but it's just that I didn't know where to look. So I don't really know where to look. I'm looking at the window, looking at the clouds. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm applying my concealer. I'm using the ColourPop concealer in medium 30. I'm gonna try not to stab myself in the eye. And while I do that, I'm gonna look at you like a creep. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna blend up with my beauty blender. And by the way, I was thinking about what look I should do. I'm gonna go with a halo eye tones with a red lip because baby, I go big. Now I'm gonna set my under eye situation. I'm going to that was my okay. So for my brow tone, I always use the darkest tone. Oh god, oh my god, this. Ooh, that didn't feel right. This feels so weird. I don't even know where to look at. Oh god. Sorry. Okay. Brows are slayed. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some translucent powder underneath my eyes. Ah! Woo! That went all up in my eye. Jesus Christ. Don't try this at home. It's dangerous. Yep. Oh my god. Did you guys see that? My eyes. Yeah, that was pretty bad. Okay, so now that I am partially blind, we're gonna go ahead and do our eyeshadows. I'm gonna be using the Violet Boss. Sorry guys, my eye is really bothering me. And I'm just going to slap that on my crease. I'm gonna use hashtag right here. Ooh. And I'm gonna try to place it a little bit lower. But let's just face it. I'm probably placing it on top of the other one at this point. I can't tell. I'm going to go ahead and use this brown right here. It's weird because you have a sense of placement, but you can't really see what you're doing, so you're just hoping for the best at this point. Oh god, that was on my nose. Oh god, that was bad. I feel like that was bad. slaying. Okay, now that we're looking fabulous, I'm gonna use, I guess, this gold right here. Yeah. Right in the center. Is it popping? I feel beautiful already. To almost finish the eyes, I'm gonna take this clear color, and this is gonna be my brow bone highlight. Right there. Oh God. Yeah, that didn't feel right. You know what I was gonna do? I was gonna stare at myself in the palette. Yeah, right. I said that was going to happen. Yes! Okay. But again, we're just gonna try to blend our existence here. That way it looks all right, decent at least. I'm gonna finish my under eye. Now I'm going to, oh God. Oh, this feels so dangerous. I feel the eyeshadow going inside my eye. Whoa. Okay. For my eyeliner, yes, baby girl, we are doing eyeliner. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is gonna be so hard. Oh my God. Where's the line for me to connect? This was a bad idea. Okay, I feel like I was right there. God, it happened again. Boom. Man, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, that will do. Next eye, please. Wing. The problem is now, where is that wing for me to connect? Oh God. The tension in the air is real. Oh, that was bad. Feeling gorgeous. For eyelashes, I'm gonna be using the Real Charm lashes in the style Lotus. I feel like my eyeliner is way out of control because I can feel my eyes like being too tight in places where they shouldn't be too tight. But it's okay, people, we're rolling with it. My lash glue is drying up a bit. In the meantime, for my highlighter, I'm using, which one is this one? This is Champagne Pop by Becca. Not looking at the mirror. Okay, there we go. I'm using my crown brush. And we're just gonna glow for the gods. Can you see me glowing, baby? Ah! Oh, I feel like that was too much. Is it really too much with the highlighter? I don't know. Okay, there's my Cupid's bow. I couldn't find my Cupid's bow. Oh my God. This is dangerous, seriously though. Oh God, help me. I'm so scared. And I want to sneeze. Jeez, this is a bad combination. Oh my God, that was too close to my eye. Woo! I am living life on the edge right here. I don't even know where to look. Oh my God. Ooh. This doesn't feel right. This is my non-dominant hand on top of it. Ooh. Last but not least, we're doing lips. We're going red because red and golds and browns go beautifully together. And it's a difficult color to apply, and that's the whole point. Now the most difficult part, my Cupid's bow. Oh God, if I can find it. this is not right. Because this eyelash is damn near on my temples. I can feel it. To set my beautiful creation, some setting spray. Let me brush my pajon. And baby girl, haha, I am through. Am I slaying? Let me give you the slaying poses. Yes! Moment of truth. Oh! Huh. I have had brown eyeshadow there the whole entire time. Whoa. I thought that I was gonna look like crap. I have no mirror to do this. And yeah, I have brown eyeshadow right there that looks like straight up caca. And something weird going on. And let's just not talk about this eyeliner right here. Brows, well guys, this was a lot of fun. I mean, besides the fact that I pretty much blinded myself with 3 tons of translucent powder for a while and I couldn't feel my eyeball. Besides that, a lot of fun creating for you. It was hard. I'm just gonna say that. It was hard. But let me know. Yeah, my eye's a little irritating. On top of that, this eyelash is like stacked in the outer corner. Is not a good thing. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions for future videos, any other makeup challenges, or any other challenge in general that you would like for me to do, don't forget to, you know, leave me a comment. Like always, stay safe. I send you lots of kisses and hugs. And the next one. Love, peace, and chicken grease. About that. Bye.